everyone. Today we will be discussing authors' opinions and how we know how they are feeling in the text. Our lesson essential question that we will be focusing on says, what details support the specific opinions the author makes in the text? So we will be looking at examples, I will be modeling some information, and then you will be responsible for completing an assignment. So let's go ahead and get started. What is the author's purpose for writing this paragraph? Justify your answer. I'm going to read you this paragraph and then we're going to figure out why the author wrote it and how we know. The paragraph states, my favorite time of year is summer. I can play outside and even play in the sprinkler. I love when it is warm so my brother and I can get outside. What is your favorite time of the year? Before I say the answer, I want you to think about what purpose the author included here. Now, I know that this author wrote the story because they're trying to state their opinion. It says words like favorite and love. Well, those are all positive words, so I think that the author enjoys the summertime because favorite and love tell me that's a good thing. At the end it says, what is your favorite time of year? So the author states his opinion throughout the story and then wants to know your opinion because yours might be a little bit different. Let's look at another example. Dogs are the best pet to have. First, they are cute and lovable. I really love how they are so fun to play with. Next, dogs are the best pet because you can play catch together or even tug of war. I enjoy spending time with my dog because I enjoy teaching her new tricks. You should get a dog as a pet because it will make you happy. Now, did the author write this to inform you, to entertain you, or to persuade you? Let's think. So the author wrote this to persuade you. So down below, there's a couple sentence starters that we can actually fill in. The author's purpose is to, we said, persuade. So the author's purpose is to persuade because at the end it says you should get a dog as a pet. So I know that the author is trying to get me to get a dog. So I'm going to put because they want me to get a dog. And I'm going to move this down below. So the author's purpose is to persuade because they want me to get a dog. For example, in the text it says, you should get a dog as a pet because it will make you happy. We just talked about opinion. So basically, opinion is, a personal thought about a topic, a true fact, a make-believe sentence, a fairy tale. Well, an opinion is actually a personal thought about a topic. So it's how somebody thinks or feels. But then what is a fact? Facts are information that is true. It's something that actually exists or even has occurred. For example, there are 50 states that make up the United States of America. There's no arguing that. And it's a true statement. So that means it's a fact. Let's look at some examples. There are many different animals at the zoo. That's a fact. I can definitely prove that. Giraffes are the very best animal. That's actually an opinion because not everybody thinks that. Giraffes have 7 bones in their neck. Another fact. We can prove that. Hippos are the most friendly animal. Well, that's an opinion because maybe not everybody thinks that. The turtle is the most boring animal at the zoo. That's an opinion because not everybody likes to think that. So now your job is going to be to read the passage, the best pet. You're going to read this and then answer the questions. What keywords tell the author's opinion? How does the author feel about owning a cat as a pet? How does the sentence, cats do not need to be trained like dogs do, tell you how the author feels about cats? All this information can be found on our Schoology page. Make sure to submit when you are finished.